zip up my other layer. So I have a zip up hoodie, windbreaker, and a vest. No more down coat. Okay, so much easier to cycle. I wasn't gonna record right away, but it's so nice down here. Sun coming down a bit. As I've done this, I have recorded this path many times already. But I figured I'll record and share some of my thoughts. Oh gosh. Alright. Still windy. Hopefully once I get up more uptown, like it'll be less windy. Heading out late. It's just after 4, I think, the last time I looked at the clock. Cross over here. I haven't even had breakfast or lunch today, so I am starving. And I have food at home, but don't have the time right now. I have to wait until I get home to do all that. So I might pick up something on my way out, since I'm out. I have the other night I picked up some groceries, some ground beef I haven't picked up in a long time, and then some chicken legs. And that I'm gonna put on video, like a recording, what I'm gonna cook for that, for my home cooking by Lizzo C channel, my foodie channel. I have another channel, DIY with yours truly, Lizzo C. I only have 3 videos. Been wanting to add more, but yeah, juggling 3 channels can keep me busy. So that one's a bit slow. I have some ideas, projects, it's just getting around to doing it. So stay tuned for that. But right now, I've been focusing on this channel, Out and About, and the food channel. So, you see my fanny pack in the shadow. I mean, speed up the footage, not me in biking. I'll go as fast as I can, but not that fast. All right. I hope to get out more on my bike this season. Of course, last year I didn't because of the beginning of that pandemic. I was pretty much homeward bound. taking the hibernation to the next level. So I'm gonna stop here and check the recording before I go any further. I don't want to be rambling on and then it doesn't pick up. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know, would it tell me that it's on fast mode? I don't see anything lit up about fast mode, so that's good. Here we go. Oh, I don't even need, I had my gloves on, but yeah, maybe I'll put them back on. Okay. All right. I'm feeling good. Be out on my bike. Like I'm gonna do like last time, because normally I would cut over here, but it's tricky cutting over when there's oncoming traffic. So go to the lights. Okay. Where is this turkey going? Now I'm getting warm. Definitely getting warm now. See, away from the water is not, well, speak too soon, or I spoke too soon. There's a little bit of wind, but not as bad. Whew, here we go. Yeah. On Claremont again. Going to Yorkville. There's something going on, so I'm gonna get a quick recording up there. Not gonna say it until I get there. I mean that as if it's really happening. I'm not sure with milder temperatures if it's gonna happen. Whew. To bring up a little discussion, I guess, about the word friends or friendship. You know, I think over the years I have to say I have more acquaintances than friends, and I'm not looking for a pity party about that. I am fine with no friends, just acquaintances are fine. Friends, the word friends, you gotta own up to it, right? You can't say, oh yeah, we're friends because you want something from me. That's called manipulation. You're manipulating me into believing that we're friends when you're pretty much just using me for your own needs, right? Oh yeah, I've gone through many, you know, friends, frenemies. I had one, became friends with a male, and individual. I mean, nothing to have like a crush on me or anything. So, and he turned out to be a friend of me. Oh, I put up with so much to the point, the last straw, because he gave out my phone number, and I was collecting or getting his calls from the collection agency. I'm like, OMG. It happened too many times. I warned him too many times. The last straw. I end up giving the collection agency all his info, phone number, email, everything. Yeah. And that was the end of that. But it took 3 times for him to smarten up. Well, he blew the friendship there. So yeah, I don't have friends. I prefer an acquaintance. And many people that I thought were my friends, they would steal from me, clothes-wise, money-wise. No more of that. So I'm gonna be using more of the term acquaintance when I introduce people or refer them by email or text or whatever. An acquaintance. They're not a friend. That is so used too loosely and abusively, I guess. I might have to take off a layer. I am just getting very, very warm. Everybody's out on the park, enjoying this gorgeous temperature. 14. Oh my gosh. We might get a cold spell. Usually I say Good Friday weekend, the Easter weekend, and then maybe Mother's Day weekend will be cold too. Just over the years taking note the pattern of the weather changes. Whatever happened to that famous graffiti car that's usually here? Huh. Wonder if it got towed away. Yeah, I'm just cycling through Kensington Market again. I'm starving. I am so starving. Yeah. I think as soon as I get to Yorkville, I have to eat something before I do anything else. Okay, I'll go here. Here we go. go up. Oh, jeez. Major Street. This is Major Street. There's a Chinese restaurant that I go to in Yorkville called Dynasty. So I'll probably pick up something small just to tie me over. And plus I don't want to carry anything extra around. That's the thing. I want to record. Oh. I'll probably go up to Harbour like I did last time. Take Harbour across. This certainly feels faster than the last cycle because of all that stronger wind holding me back. There's a slight wind, but it's not bad. Keep going straight, but I just don't want to fight the traffic and wait for the cars to pass to cut over. I like to just keep going. Make it. Yes, I made it. Oh, right, there's construction on Bloor, which only gives me one lane. Let me take another route because I went up here St. George, so I'll keep going this way. Change it up. Bypass that stretch where there's only one lane, construction shared lane, bike lane, and motors. I'm gonna stop. That car should have stopped. Oh. Okay. This is still Harbored. Harbored, I think, ends right here at the light. Not these lights, but the other lights. Yeah. And then it's Queen's Park. I don't know if I can get an angle. This area is all like U of T, University of Toronto. Went on the other side. Can I still do that? No cars now, so I'll cut over. See these wide sidewalks make it into a bike path. I mean, there's a bike path here, but it's going west We need two-way bike lanes. All right. All this sidewalk, hardly anyone walks along, can be bike lane, pedestrian and bike lane shared space. Yucky puddle, gotta slow down for any puddles. I have so far today. I had 2 mugs of tea and the last piece of the easy cinnamon roll cake that I made. That's actually on my food channel. And then hours later I had a glass of Bragg's apple juice cider, or what is it called? Cider vinegar. Bragg's, a tablespoon of that with some water, a cup of water. And I drank that. That's helped a lot, actually. So the Bragg's cider vinegar, it has to have the mother in it. I think it's everywhere now. You can get it at grocery stores, but before it was just health food stores. So I'm on that for a while. I was off and on but I think I need to continue drinking it. It helps the digestive system and bloating and you name it, it helps. Helps the skin, hair, nails. That's why my nails are growing again. Why? For the longest, just noticed that it hasn't been growing. They're breaking all the time. Oh, I'm early. Shit. But I'm gonna see what's going on because for March 12th to the 13th, but I don't see anything happening. I don't get it. Nothing's happening. It would have been set up here, but it doesn't look like it. That's weird. I'm not gonna reveal it, what's happening. Today's the 11th, not the 12th. So I have to come back out tomorrow, which is fine. But I don't know. There's no signs of anything happening, so. Okay. Let's go along here. Hopefully this street will be closed off for the summer like they did last summer. Oh, I think it is. They're setting up. Okay, so I am early. So I have to come back tomorrow. Do I still pick up food? Yeah. Okay. Because I still would have to cook when I get home. But I'm starving now. Here's Dynasty. I don't know if it's in the camera. Okay, that's good. So I'm on Yorkville Avenue. I'm in Yorkville, the area, but on Yorkville Avenue. All right. I'll be back tomorrow. Something's clicking. I don't know what. Uh-oh. All these tall condos, high rises and that sort of thing. I wouldn't want to live up high because what if there's a fire or that sort of thing that can happen? What would... How do the firefighters get up there? I don't know. Think about that one as much as living up high, great views, all that stuff, but no thank you. I've heard people living up high now, elevators take forever. Sometimes you have to wait for the elevators to come down or go up. Imagine getting stuck in an elevator. No thank you. I went to somebody's apartment for like a personal training workout. I think it was on the 38th floor, and people were lining up to get up on the elevator. So here on, let's take some side streets. Take a little longer to get home. Yeah, so the elevators were taking forever. So part of my workout, I took the stairs. I think I had to go up 38 to the 38th floor. So I did it. Not too bad after all. So this is the annex area, neighborhood. These are to me mansions, these big houses. A lot of them can be broken up into apartments, flats, and a lot of them could be for university students, I believe. And these apartment buildings are really old, but nice designs, I think. This is we're in Lowther. Oh gosh, that street has changed so much. This is Spadina Road. So it's Spadina Road starting at like north at Bloor, and then south of Bloor it's Avenue. Enough to confuse people. I'm just cruising along here. I'm not rushing. I don't cycle through this area enough, so I'm having a look at all the houses and apartments. I'm curious. Let's go this way. I could have went the other way, go south, but I am just enjoying the nice weather. Be out. I have quite a bit of things that I would like to do, so especially I have a couple things to do for the new channel, and I still have to catch up on some recordings that I did on Tuesday night, post those up, and then now I have this today, and then tomorrow I'll be out again. I'm heading north now. I don't even know what street I'm on. These are nice houses. That one's pretty. With a slightly spiral staircase going down. I don't want to go too north. I think this will take me to Davenport. DuPont. Wait, maybe DuPont. I want to go this way. What street is this? Am I at Bathurst already? If I am, that would be really fast, but I don't know. Huh. Oh my goodness, I am. I'm at Bathurst already. Wow. How did that happen? Whew. That's awesome. Bathurst already. This is what happens when I'm having fun cycling. Cut through here. I love these little houses to the right. They're so cute. Whoa, there's a car behind me. This Karma Co-op food store. Huh. I want to take this, I guess, down to Shaw, cut over to Garrison Crossing. I'll go as far out as I can, I guess. Wait. Gonna turn back. I see something. I do feel some raindrops. That's why the clouds look like they do. Mission House Lane. I want to. Does this take you out? Yeah, to right. I like laneways. I want to cut through. I don't like laneways at night, but during the day I don't mind, so I can see where I'm going. Okay, under the rain cloud right now. Just pass by. Yes. Ooh. Where am I now? Sorry, what street is this? Okay. Nice chatting with you too, lady. Look at these little houses. Alright, where am I now? This is Bloor Street. Didn't see no rain in the forecast today. Not bad. Does this take me where? Yeah, another laneway. I call them laneways. Some people call them alleyways. Come on. Parking. cut over a little bit more. Oh, I'm at Christie. Can't go too fast. The ground's wet and might be slippery. Yeah, this is Christie. Bike path on Bloor going west. Looks like I'm riding into the rain now a little bit. I'm gonna cut over at the lights. Trying to catch up to the clear sky, get out of the rain cloud. Harvard. Okay, Montrose I am on. Here, let's go to, I think this will take me to college. Yeah, this is college. Little Italy, Portugal. There goes your umbrella. Another laneway. Yeah, it's a short laneway. One thing about laneways, I gotta make sure I don't go over glass, nails, and then I'll get a flat tire. And Crawford. My light is dead. I forgot to charge my light. Oh gosh. Look at those nasty looking clouds. Oh my gosh. Better get home. I'm on Shaw Street now. I thought the rain would stop by now. have to take some cover. Here. No. No.
Yeah. Isn't it crazy?
I know. I didn't see that in the forecast.
Me neither.
Like, I'm shocked.
And this is so wild. Like, I cannot walk all the way home right now.
Oh no. Or ride. I don't know. That guy was able to cycle, but
It wasn't so
oh my gosh. I hope
this Uber and Uber. This is like
it's like Dorothy in Kansas,
Exactly,
Wizard of Oz.
in Kansas.
Oh my gosh. I didn't see this in the forecast. Oh my gosh.
Exactly. Oh, it's so bad. If I had a bud, I would rate it.
It's gonna bypass. Like, look at this light there. I thought I was heading to the lighter part. Like, I was up more. It was dark.
I'm just gonna hope that it passes.
It will.
It'll pass. I need friendly stranger.
Well, I'm hoping.
He just texted me. He was like, "Are you okay? It just got wild outside."
Well, I'll take this over snow anytime.
Exactly. But yeah, it's a little long. And
It says severe thunderstorm warning.
severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This always happens last minute.
Well, the wind's calmed down now. I think this is walkable and rideable. Yeah.
Bye.
See you. Bye. I'm gonna just pass by. Sorry.
Oh, no problem.
See ya. My goodness. It's the wind that, you know, it's better to stop if it's really, really windy. But now I see it's past a little bit and it's getting bright over here. So, ay, ay, ay. There was no way I was gonna ride through that a few minutes ago. Oh my gosh. Well, this is exciting. Why can't Mother Nature wait until we're sleeping to come down like that?